Why you don't have Instagram's new features on both accounts. Hey everyone! In this quick video, I'm going to explain exactly why you might not have Instagram's new features on both of your accounts, even if you're using the same phone, same app, and the same version. So if you've been wondering why that's happening, follow along till the end. Alright, let's dive in. First, open Instagram on your phone and check both of your accounts. Notice how one account has the new feature while the other doesn't? Don't panic. There's actually a simple reason behind this. Instagram doesn't release new features to everyone at the same time. Instead, they do what's called a phased rollout or A/B testing. Here's how it works. When Instagram launches a new feature, they only give it to a small group of users first, usually around 10% of their entire user base. Why do they do this? To test how people use the feature, to see if it's popular and worth expanding, and to fix any bugs or technical issues before releasing it to everyone. So if one of your accounts has the feature and the other doesn't, it doesn't mean there's something wrong with your phone or app. It's just part of Instagram's testing process. Now, if you want to increase your chances of getting new features earlier, there's something you can try. Open your Instagram app, tap the profile icon at the bottom right corner to go to your profile. Tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to open the menu. Scroll down until you see the section called Your App and Media. Tap Early Access to Features. Here, you'll see an option to join the beta program. Turn that on. Beta users often get access to new features before everyone else, so this might help you get updates faster. Once Instagram confirms that a feature is stable and users respond positively, they'll eventually roll it out to all accounts and devices automatically. And that's it. While there's no guaranteed way to force new features to appear instantly, now you know why this happens and how you might get early access. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and drop a comment if you've experienced this issue with your accounts.